So today we will discuss about unit step function or Heaviside function. So what is the definition of unit step function? The unit step function is u of t minus a. U of t minus a or Heaviside function h of t minus a is defined as u of t minus a is equal to 0 for t less than or equal to a and 1 for t greater than a. So unit step function or Heaviside function both are same thing. The symbol is U for unit step function or H. So now we will discuss about the properties. What are the properties? So first property, Laplace transform of unit step function means u of t minus a is e power of minus as divided by s. So what is there here value? That a value here you have to write e power of minus as divided by s. And second property, Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e power of minus as into f of s. So which one is f of s means Laplace transform of f of t. Here f of t minus a is there, you have to find out f of t. So then you have to find out the Laplace transform. That value is f of s. These two are important properties. Now we discuss about that problem. Find the Laplace transform of e power of t minus 1 plus sin of t minus 1 into u of t minus a. So which type is there? This one. See here, Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. This type is there. See here, f of t minus a into u of t minus a. What is here? A is equal to 1. So u of t minus a type is there. So what is there here? Like this only you have to write here. F of t minus 1 is equal to what is there? This one you have to write this bracket. So e power of t minus 1 plus sin t minus 1. Now we want to here f of t. How to get f of t? So f of t minus 1 is there. We want to f of t. How to get f of t means, so replace t in place of t plus 1. So t plus 1 cancel, we will get f of t. Not only this function. So right hand side also you have to substitute. So replace t by t plus 1 means we will get sin t, sorry, e power of t plus sin t. So this is f of t. So now we have to find out the Laplace transform of this function. So what is the Laplace transform of e power of t? 1 over s minus 1 plus Laplace transform of sin t 1 over s square plus 1. This is the f of s. So now we want to Laplace transform of f of t minus a into u of t minus a. What is a here? 1. F of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to, what is the formula here? F of t minus a into u of t minus a is equal to e power of minus a is into f of s. In this problem, u of t minus a means 1. So that meaning is e power of minus s, a is equal to 1, e power of minus s into f of s. F of s means what to get that answer? 1 over s minus 1 plus 1 over s square plus 1. So therefore Laplace transform of f of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 is equal to e power of minus s into 1 over s minus 1 plus 1 over s square plus 1 is the answer. Next problem. Find the Laplace transform of sin t into u of t minus a. So only sin t means directly you can find out. U of t minus a type is there, no? That's my unit step function. So what is the rule? What is there? U of t minus a. What is a here? Pi. So you have to take f of t minus pi. What is there in this bracket? U of t minus pi or whatever may be. What is there? That one you have to take. So f of t minus pi is equal to what? Sin t. So f of t minus pi is there. We want to f of t. How to get f of t? So you have to replace t by t plus pi. So t plus pi and minus pi cancel, we get f of t. So right hand side what happen? Sin of, replace t by t plus pi or pi plus t, both are same thing. Now sin 180 plus theta. So sin 180 plus theta. So what is the value for sin 180 plus theta means minus sin t. So this is f of t. So now Laplace transform of f of t is, so means minus 1 over s square plus 1 into f of s. So given problem, f of t minus pi into u of t minus pi is equal to e power of minus as. A is equal to what? This problem. So a is equal to pi e power of minus pi s into f of s. F of s means what? Minus 1 over s square plus 1 into f of s. So here sin 180 plus t, how to get minus sin t? So that one rule is there. What is that rule? Means quadrant rule. See here, quadrant rule. Actually this is the answer, this problem. Now how to get this sin 180 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So how to get means quadrant rule. So how to write quadrant rule? So x-axis, y-axis, this is 0 degree, 90, 180 and 270 and 360. So 0 to 90 degree first quadrant, all are positive. 90 to 180, so second quadrant. So here second quadrant sine and cosine is the positive, and 180 to 270 degree. So here third quadrant, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, and 270 to 360 degree. So here cos and secant are positive. So now 90 plus or minus theta or 270 plus or minus theta. In these two cases, sine becomes cos or cos becomes sine, or tan becomes cot, cot becomes tan. And 180 plus or minus theta or 360 plus or minus theta, there is no change. So there is no change means sine becomes sine only, cos becomes cos only, but sine is changes according to that sine. You have to see this table. So previous problem sine 180 plus theta, sine 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta means here which quadrant? 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta is third quadrant. So third quadrant sine is negative, but 180 plus theta sine means sine only. There is no change. Next problem. Find the Laplace transform of sin t plus cos t u of t minus pi by 2. So u of t minus pi by 2 means u of t minus a. A is equal to what here? Pi by 2. So same thing. So you take f of t minus pi by 2. Here what is there? That one you have to write. So that meaning is sin t plus cos t. So f of t minus pi by 2 is there. We want to f of t. How to get f of t? Replace t by t plus pi by 2. So then what happen here? So left hand side what to get? F of t. Right hand side sin t minus pi by 2 means t plus pi by 2 plus cos t plus pi by 2 or 90 plus theta cos 90 plus theta. So sin 90 plus theta, in which quadrant it comes? Here 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta means second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive. So but 90 plus or minus theta, sin becomes cos. So here what happen? Sin 90 plus theta. So that is cos t, and cos 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta second quadrant, sin is positive but cos is negative, that's why minus sin t. So now we have to take Laplace transform of f of t is equal to cos t Laplace transform s over s square plus 1 minus sin t Laplace transform 1 over s square plus 1. So the for given problem f of t minus pi by 2 into u of t minus pi by 2 is equal to e power of minus as. So what is here a? U of t minus a. A is equal to what? Pi by 2. So that meaning is e power of minus pi by 2 s into f of s. What to get this answer? You have to write here. So s over s square plus 1 minus 1 over s square plus 1 is the answer. Next one of the property, if f of t is equal to f1 of t, t less than or equal to a, and f2 of t, t greater than a. So here given that function f of t can be split into two functions, f1 of t and f2 of t. So then this type of problems, how to write f of t? So f of t is equal to formula f1 of t plus second term minus first term. Second term is f2 of t minus first term is f1 of t into u of t minus a. U of t minus a. This is the formula. Suppose it's given two functions, then you have to write f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. Similarly, suppose given three functions. So f of t can be split into three functions. So how means f1 of t, t less than or equal to a, and f2 of t, t is greater than a, less than or equal to b, and f3 of t, t greater than b. So how to write this one? Here also same thing, f of t is equal to f1 of t plus second term minus first term, means f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of, so into u of t minus a plus last term minus second term. Last term is f3 of t minus f2 of t into u of t minus b. So this is the formula. So suppose it's given three functions, first function plus second function minus first function into u of t minus a plus last function minus second function into u of t minus b is the formula. So problem, express the following function in terms of unit step function or Heaviside function and hence find its Laplace transform. So question is, first question, f of t is equal to sin 2t, t greater than 0 less than pi and 0 for t greater than pi. So that meaning is two functions is given. This is f1 of t and this is f2 of t. So how to write in f of t? So how to write means first function sin 2t plus second function minus first function. What is the second function? 0 minus first function sin 2t into u of t minus a. A means what here? U of t minus pi. So now f of t can be written as sin 2t, 0 minus sin 2t is minus sin 2t into u of t minus pi. So now we have to find out the Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to sin 2t Laplace transform 2 over s square plus 4 minus Laplace transform of this one you have to write as it is, because here u of t minus a, unit step function. So now we have to consider this part. This part means what? Sin 2t into u of t minus pi. See, sin 2t into u of t minus pi. So here what is a? A is equal to pi. Now we take f of t minus pi. So that is equal to what? Sin 2t. So t in place of what you have to write? T minus pi. Here f of t minus pi is equal to sin 2t. So here we want to f of t. How to get f of t? Replace t by t plus pi. So right hand side what happen here? Sin 2 into replace t by t plus pi. So here multiply 2 inside, sin 2t plus 2 pi. So 2 pi means 360. So 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. So therefore sin 2t. So now what is Laplace transform of f of t? So sin 2t Laplace transform 2 over s square plus 4. So in that given problem, Laplace transform of f of t minus pi into u of t minus pi is equal to e power of minus as. A is equal to pi, e power of minus pi s into f of s. What is f of s? 2 over s square plus 4 is the answer. So but here first one is there, no? Here f of t is equal to 2 over s square plus 4. This one also you have to write. Actually that equation 1 you have to call it that equation 1. So afterwards that answer is 2 over s square plus 4 plus second term what is there, that answer you have to write. So 2 over s square plus 4 plus 2 into e power of minus pi s divided by s square plus 4 is the answer. Next problem, f of t is equal to 0, t greater than 0 less than or equal to pi by 2 and sin t greater than pi by 2 less than 3 pi by 2 and 0 t greater than 3 pi by 2. So here three functions there, f1, f2, f3. What is the formula? f of t is equal to f1 of t. What is f1 of t? 0 plus second function minus first function. What is the second function? Sin t minus first function 0 into u of t minus a, u of t minus pi by 2 plus last function minus second function. Last function means what? 0 minus sin t into u of t minus b. So t minus b means u of t minus u of 3 pi by 2. So now f of t can be written as sin t minus 0 sin t into u of t minus pi by 2. So minus sin t u of t minus 3 pi by 2. So now we want to find out the Laplace transform. So take Laplace transform. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin t into u of t minus pi by 2 minus Laplace transform of sin t into u of t minus 3 pi by 2. So now you have to consider separately. So first part, what is the first part here? Sin t u of t minus pi by 2. Sin t u of t minus pi by 2. So what is here? A is equal to pi by 2. So you take f of t minus pi by 2 is equal to sin t. Now we want to f of t. How to get f of t? Here replace t in place of t plus pi by 2. Here also you have to replace t in place of t plus pi by 2. So here sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta means second quadrant. So second quadrant sin is positive. So 90 plus or minus theta, sin becomes cos t. So now Laplace transform of cos t, s over s square plus 1. So now given problem, so Laplace transform of sin t into u of t minus pi by 2. So formula e power of minus as. A is equal to pi by 2 e power of minus pi by 2s into f of s. What is f of s? S over s square plus 1. This is the answer for first part. So second part. What is the second part here? Sin t u of t minus 3 pi by 2. So sin t u of t minus 3 pi by 2. You have to take f of t minus 3 pi by 2 is equal to sin t. So now we want to f of t. How to get f of t? Replace t in place of what? T plus 3 pi by 2. So here what we get in LHS? F of t. Right hand side sin 3 pi by 2 plus t. So 3 pi by 2 means 270. So 270 plus theta. So 270 plus theta, which quadrant it comes? So 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta means this is the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and secant is positive. But here sin 370 plus theta. So is not comes sin here fourth quadrant. That's why negative sign. But 270 plus or minus theta, sin becomes cos or cos becomes sin. So here also same thing, sin 270 plus theta, that becomes minus cos t. So now find out the Laplace transform of minus cos t. Minus you have to write as it is. Cos t is s over s square plus 1. Now we want to Laplace transform of f of t minus 3 pi by 2 into u of t minus 3 pi by 2. So what is the formula? E power of minus as. A is equal to what? So 3 pi by 2. So e power of minus 3 pi by 2 into f of s. What is f of s? Minus s over s square plus 1. So this is the answer. So first part and second part is there. No, the two parts you have to substitute in that first equation. This is the answer. Next problem. F of t is equal to cos t in the interval 0 to pi and 1 in the interval pi to 2 pi and sin t greater than 2 pi. So here also three functions is given. So for these three functions you have to write f of t. How to write f of t? Already knows. First function cos t plus second function minus first function 1 minus cos t into u of t minus a means u of t minus pi plus last function minus second function. Last function means sin t minus second function means 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. Now we want to take Laplace transform on both sides. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of cos t plus Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi plus Laplace transform of sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. Now we take that first part 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi. So 1 minus cos t into u of t minus pi. You have to take f of t minus pi is equal to 1 minus cos t. How to get f of t? Replace t by t plus pi. So 1 minus cos t plus pi. 180 plus theta. Same we will get. So not same. So 180 plus theta cos only. But 180 plus theta second quadrant. So that's why it becomes negative sign. That negative sign. So negative becomes positive. So now Laplace transform of 1 is what? 1 by s plus Laplace transform of cos t is s over s square plus 1. This is f of s. Now Here Laplace transform of f of t minus pi into u of t minus pi is equal to e power of minus as. A is equal to pi into f of s. What to get here? F of s 1 over s plus s over s square plus 1. This is the answer for first part. And what is the second part? Sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So now we take sin t minus 1 into u of t minus 2 pi. So let f of t minus 2 pi is equal to what? Sin t minus 1. How to get f of t? Replace t by t plus 2 pi. So here also replace t by t plus 2 pi minus 1. So sin 360 plus theta. So sin t minus 1. So 360 plus theta means first coordinate all are positive. So now you take Laplace transform on both sides. So sin t Laplace transform 1 over s square plus 1 and 1 by s. So now Laplace transform of f of t minus 2 pi is equal to u of t minus 2 pi. What is the formula? E power of minus as. A is equal to what? 2 pi. E power of minus 2 pi s into f of s. What is that answer? 1 over s square plus 1 minus 1 by s. So this is the answer for second part. Now final answer you have to write here. That first part, what is there here? Cos t, Laplace transform of cos t 1 over s over s square plus 1. And second part answer what to get that one, and last part answer what to get that one. You have to write final answer. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to s over s square plus 1 plus e power of minus pi s into 1 over s plus s over s square plus 1 plus e power of minus 2 pi s into 1 over s square plus 1 minus 1 is the answer.